Hello viewers, welcome to Digital Marketing. Today I am going to teach you how to create a Google Ads campaign for the beginners to advanced level. Before explaining what is a Google Ads campaign, I'll take one example and I'll show you to you. When we need any service or training or whatever it is, we will just Google it on our requirement. For suppose if I want to learn digital marketing training or Python training, or if I want any plumbers to repair my bathroom renovation or etc., what we generally do is we will search for them in Google, right? Or see, Python training in USA or in New York, we will search like this. In that case, few okay, no ads are coming. California, yeah. See, if we enter, for suppose if I am living in a California and I want to learn Python training, then what I did was I was looking for an institute in California. So I entered a term which is called keyword in Google, then few ads got reflected. See, how can we get to know whether this is a ad or organic result? If we see two letters, that is ad in front of the website, then it becomes an ad. See, ad, and we don't find anything before website, so this is an organic result or commonly called free result. Okay, if we want to show our institute or our business like this, what should we do? Means we have to create a campaign in Google Ads. Now I am going to show you how to create a campaign in Google Ads. Open ads.google.com, click on sign in and select your Google Ads, select your Gmail ID, switch Google account and choose any Gmail which you want to run your ads. I selected a Google Ads account. My account is an old one, that is the reason it already opened. Now I am going to create a new account in front of you for your information. Just clicking on the right top, uh, create new Google Ads account, create new account. Now it is going to create a new account. Here it will ask you to create a campaign. Actually, I'm sorry, I'm going to close this account and will create a new account again because it already took few data. I choose a completely new account. See, whenever you clicked on sign in, it will ask you like this for the first time, and click on your new Google Ads account. It will take 30 seconds of time to load because this software is a little bit slow. And if you see, there are few options. Kindly don't click on any above option and scroll down to the bottom and click on switch to expert mode. This is very important. And here it will show you 8 types of objectives. Again, kindly don't click on any of that and scroll down and click on create an account without a campaign. Here it will ask you about your billing country, time zone and currency. Here choose your billing country. As of now I am going to create ads for USA, so I am going to select billing country as US, United States, and select here your time zone. I am going to select Los Angeles time, and the currency I am choosing US currency, that is US dollars. Where is this? US dollar, yeah. Okay, this we can't change after clicking submit. This is a one time setup. Okay, so click on submit, click on explore. and this is the Google Ads dashboard. Okay, and right top you can find your customer 10-digit customer ID. This is very important if you if you contact Google Ads team. And now we can create up to 50 ad accounts under each email. And now I am going to show you how to create a campaign. Here in the pop-up you can able to see new campaign. Either you can click here or you can go to campaigns and you can click there as well. I am clicking here. Same, it is showing again 8 objectives. Choose create a goal without a campaign, create a campaign without a goal, and I am selecting first option, that is search, because this is based on completely search. Click on search. Here you can select your objectives. This is not option, this is not mandatory, it's just an optional. Here you can write anything, campaign, or else like Python, even with location California, like this. This is only for your reference. This will not display to the outsiders. This is for the only for the admins to understand which campaign is targeting which thing, etc. Continue. Click on continue. It will ask you your daily budget. What exactly the daily budget is? How many dollars you want to spend each day. For suppose your monthly budget is 30,000. Daily it will become $1,000. Okay, like this. After this, it will ask you to bid, because daily you are ready to spend $1,000. How much you want to pay per click? Because right now I opened one ad, right? Python training in California. I am seeing all ads but not clicking on anywhere, so it doesn't cost those people. If I click on any this particular ad, then only it will cost them some pennies. How much means they might given some limit for the Google, like if anyone click on my ad, cut $1 or 50 cents or $2, like that. They can inform to Google like this in the option called bidding. In bidding, click on the drop down just behind the clicks. It will display you many options. I don't want these any options, I want few more. So I am scroll down and clicking on the bid strategy directly. Now options got changed. Here if I click on the drop down, we can see few more options: maximize clicks, conversion value, impression share, manual CPC, but I want maximize clicks. Okay, now I said based on the automated bidding, cut my amount of 1,000 rupees, depends for each click. Now what is this option? We didn't, until now we didn't kept any limit like $2, $3 per click, like that. Now I am going to set this. How to set this means, first click on this box, then it will ask you maximum cost, CPC in the sense cost per click. Okay, how much Google has to deduct from each cost per click. We are giving $2. Means if anyone click on my ad, Google may deduct up to $2, not beyond $2 for each and every click. So how many clicks we have possibility means daily 500 clicks we have a possibility. Means daily, if we click on the website, our ad, it will redirect to our website. Means there is a possibility of 500 website visitors per day because of this campaign. Click on more settings. If you want your more than 2 ads, then use ad rotation, else simply ignore for freshers. Click on next. Let me go back. Here it is asking networks. Always remove search network drop down, display network drop down, and it is asking to our targeted locations, only US or US and Canada, or your any specific location. I have a specific location called California. Means people who are in California only can see my ad. Other people can't see. Okay, California, US. If you want to target whole US, you can use by clicking on this. but as of now I selected only California. Again you can see few options here. The first three are very important. If you select second option, the people who are residing in our targeted location, that is California in our example, only those can see our ad. If we are selecting third option, people who are residing out of our targeted location but have interest in our targeted location can only see our ads. Okay, this is means people who are residing or out of our targeted location both can see our ads. Depends on your objective or service, you can choose any one. Here language, if you want you can choose any local language, or else you can simply click on all language. If you click on more settings, you can find more settings like from when your campaign has to start and all ad schedulings, those all you can able to see. As of now simply ignore. Here it will ask you to enter keywords. I am providing sample keywords. Okay, Python training, Python coaching, Python Institute near me. Likewise, we can give up to 10,000 keywords under each ad group. Okay, simply scroll down. We done keywords part also, and we move to ads. In order to run any Google Ads campaign, website is mandatory. As of now, I don't have any training institute ka website, so I am choosing this particular people's ka website just for sample purpose. Okay, let me paste here. Varsity Tutors. I am taking their landing page. Varsity Tutors. Here you can write Python training or coaching, like that. Whatever you write here, it will be visible here. See, Varsity Tutors I given. After that I given Python training. If I change here to coaching, CYCHING coaching, see it was changed to coaching, like this. This is our complete what can I say, preview, ad preview. And scroll down, you can see here you can add up to 15 headlines. Python coaching institute, Python training institute, Python classes California. Like this, we can add up to 15 keywords here. Whatever the keyword we are going to add here will show here for us. Oh, sorry for the background noise. This is how we can add up to 15 headlines, like call now for more details, or else like 100% placement support. Like this, we can add up to 15 headlines for each ad. Whatever we add here will display here. Okay, and it is asking to provide description 1 and description 2. Where can we provide that? Here, see here we can provide up to 4 description lines. There is a limit for headlines, it is up to 30 characters, whereas if it is a description, it should be like 90 characters limit. We can't give beyond 90. As of now, I am copying from others description. Because of time constraint, I am pasting here. It is like more than 90, so I am removing extra. private tutoring. Okay, exactly, I added 90 letters, and I'm checking for second headline, I mean description. I was because of sample purpose I was adding only two descriptions and only up to 5 headlines. I'm just clicking on, see here I can show you the preview. 3 headlines you are seeing and 2 descriptions you can see. Just click on done and click on next. Okay, it is asking few headlines, just ignore as of now and click again on next. Keywords, to make sure it is asking to add few more keywords, and you need to create campaign ads for your campaign. Fix it, we already created a campaign, right? Add, right? See, just click on publish. Where is this publish option? Fix it. We already created, right? Just click on next. Just ignore these extensions, click on next. Just reload this page, it is asking to reload, maybe it was not taken. See, this is a complete overview, I mean I can say preview. See, our campaign name is campaign underscore python underscore California, and type of campaign is search campaign. Budget is $1000 and bidding is max clicks, and we kept max CPC limit as $2. After that, we are targeting only California with all languages, and we given as of now for sample we given 3 keywords and we done 1 ad. After this is still loading. Okay, after this checking as done, it will display as publish campaign on the top and even bottom. We can click anywhere to publish our campaign. After that, we just need to load our amount. Once we load our amount, our ad will trigger like this. Okay, our ad will trigger like this for the keywords which we given while create a campaign. We just need to click on publish campaign. For suppose I am providing digital marketing services. If you want to avail my digital marketing services, please check the description below. I given my website and my contact number and my WhatsApp number. You can directly ping me on my WhatsApp number. And this is one of my clients account where I am handling. I'll show you the last 30 days account. This is last 30 day last month, that is October 1st to 31st October. Here we spent 89,000 rupees and we got 5,800 clicks with an average CPC of 15 rupees. This is Indian currency. Okay, here we are running only 2 campaigns. I will show you the 2 campaigns. One is like search campaign and second one is discovery. When it comes to search campaign, let me explain what is the budget. Is 77,700 is our last month budget, and we got 2,900 clicks. That is completely 19.23 of click through rate, and average CPC is 26 rupees. When it comes to discovery campaign month budget is 11,695 rupees and CTR is 10%. Means we got total of 11,696 including clicks as well as engagements. And average cost per click for the discovery campaign is 3 rupees 98 paise, that is less than 4 rupees. When it was converted into dollars, 26 rupees, in the sense it is 25th percentage of $1, and 4% is very pennies. I can't even say in dollars, that much cheap. Okay, if I show you my analytics, I mean last month complete insights, my client is on the top. See, 75% with the first position, no one is there. And top of page rate means top 4, 95%. Absolute top means first page, first position, 50% times we are the one. Okay, this is how I'm running ads. Kindly check the description below and get back to me for running ads for yourself. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.